The new Public Works Director is now on the job full-time. Kirksville Airport Director Glenn Ballou had been serving as co-interim Director of Public Works and now will be pulling double duty. When city officials announced Monday that Ballou would be taking over full-time, we caught up with him to see what plans he has to help improve the city. Ballou told us that it all starts with continuing improvements on the city's streets.
We're going to keep things moving forward here at Public Works the way they have been. We will be looking at prioritizing some things, especially in the next budget cycle.
Ballou stresses that fixing city streets will remain at the top of that list of priorities for the department's workers.